Good day to my future employer. Ma'am and sir, my name is Marites Pitales. I am 37 years old from Nabunturan, Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am high school graduate. I am married and no child. I have three brothers and one sister. My religion is a Roman Catholic. It's my first time to work abroad, but I had experience here in the Philippines as a household helper and a nanny. My first employer, I worked them from December 2019 to June 2022. I serve one couple and one kid, a 6 years old girl. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, marketing, laundry, and dropping off and picking up from school of the kid. My second employer, I worked them from July 2023 to March 2026. I serve two adult and 1 year old baby boy. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, laundry, and taking care of the child, including giving milk and vitamins, changing clothes and diapers, and give full-time care and attentions. To my future employer, I promise I will take good care of your children and treat as my own. I will serve and respect your family. I will obey your rules and regulations. I assure you that you can trust me. I am honest, patient, flexible, and hardworking person. I am looking forward to be your future employee. Thank you and God bless.